Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna, or as you popularly know me as English Wali Ma'am. So आज हमारा सेशन है the third session of the chapter Mijbil the Author, and because it's the third session, so हम इस chapter के questions attempt करने वाले हैं, and along with that, I will make you underline some important extracts from this particular chapter. And yes, of course, we will also be understanding some important questions that can be asked from this chapter. तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का सेशन. पहले क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करते हैं जो स्टोरी के इन द मिडल ऑफ द स्टोरी इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस हम जिनको कहते हैं वो हमें दिए गए हैं. So first question is, what experiment did Maxwell think Camasfiana would be suitable for? So we know हमने स्टोरी पढ़ी है, Camasfiana is a place in Scotland, and the experiment that Maxwell thought Camasfiana would be suitable was to keep an otter as a pet instead of a dog. Why? Because he felt that the place is basically surrounded by water also, so probably this is a perfect place for it, or for keeping otter as a pet. Second, why does he go to Basra? How long does he wait there, and why? So he had gone to Basra to collect his mail that was to come from Europe, and he waited there for 5 days. So he had to wait, of course, because the mail did not come on time. Now, next question is, how does he get the otter? Does he like it? Pick out the words that tell you this. So, how does he get the otter? One of his friends give it to him. Does he like it? Yes. Now, pick out the words that tell you this. So, इसके लिए जब आप आते हो पेज नंबर 105 पे, so जहाँ ये आपको ऑटर की पिक्चर दी गई है, इसी के थोड़ा सा if you read a few lines above this, it says, I made a body belt for him and took him on a lead to the bathroom, where for half an hour he went with wild enjoy in the water, plunging and rolling. So basically, the efforts that the speaker had put in to make the otter comfortable. Next, why was the otter named Maxwell's otter? It was named by a zoologist. Then tick the right answer. In the beginning of the story, the otter was aloof and indifferent. Next, what happened when Maxwell took Mijbil to the bathroom? What did it do for 2 days? So इसी पेज पे जो first paragraph है, 2 days later, Mijbil escaped from my bedroom as I entered it, and I turned to see his tail disappearing round the bend of the corridor that led to the bathroom. So what was he doing? He was up on the end of the bathtub and fumbling at the corium taps with his paws. So basically he was playing with water. All right. So this you need to describe in your own words. Let's come to the next set of questions. So it says, how was Midge to be transported to England? It was to be done by packing him in a box. What did Midge do to the box? So because, Midgebill was feeling very uncomfortable being packed in a box, he actually tore the metal, lining, because of which he hurt himself badly. Next, why did Maxwell put the otter back in the box? How do you think he felt when he did this? So obviously there was no other option. He wanted to in a way keep him safe, keep him away from other passengers. So he decided to keep the author, the narrator, he decided to keep it back in the box. But while doing so, he felt very pity. He felt very disappointed, very discontented, very hurtful at the same time. Why does Maxwell say the air hostess was the queen of her kind? Mainly because she was sympathetic towards the narrator. Second, she allowed to take the otter out of the box because she felt that, the way otter is feeling discomforted in the box, and, the way the otter had hurt itself, it is better that it is outside the box. What happened when the box was opened? So you describe the entire hue and cry that was there in the plane. All right, how passengers were jumping on their seats. Next, what game had Mitch invented? So he invented the playing with the ball, with the ping pong balls. What are compulsive habits? What does Maxwell say are compulsive habits of school children? And then Mitchell. So compulsive habits को अगर मुझे आपको हिंदी में explain करना, कई बार बोलते हैं हम ये आदत से मजबूर है, right? That is called as compulsive habits. So compulsive habits, things that kind of are strange probably to the other people, but people still do that. They're so habitual of it. So if you talk about school children, so page number 109 पे जब आप आते हो, so it says, the last paragraph, he says that the line goes like this: like the rituals of children who on their way to and from school must place their feet squarely on the center of each paving block. So that's a compulsive habit. Doesn't make any sense, but बच्चों को वैसे अपने पैर रखने का शौक होता है. And what about Mitchell? So Mitchell had this habit of jumping over the wall and gallop to the full length of the 30 yards to the hopeless distraction both of pupils and staff within. Alright, अब हम आते हैं end text questions पे. So जब मैं end text questions पे आती हूँ, it says, what things does Midge do to tell you that he was intelligent, he was friendly and fun-loving animals who needs love? So obviously intelligent because he invented the game, playing with that ball. And second, how do we know that he's very friendly, he's fun loving? The way he enjoys playing in the water, and fun loving and very friendly, because eventually he also finds a friend in the narrator of the story. What are some of the things we come to know about authors from the text? So first of all, we come to know that they love playing in water. Second, in a way, they're also intelligent creatures. Third, Arabs, they keep otters as pets. And of course, the otters, they belong to a comparatively small group of animals. And what is this small group called as? Mustelans, okay, which is shared by mongoose and badger-like creatures, weasel, all right. Why is Mitch species now known to world as Maxwell's otter? Of course, considering the name given by the zoologist. All right, next question. So we come to the next page. Let's see what the next question is. Okay, it says Maxwell in the story speaks for the otter. Mitch, he tells what the otter feels and thinks on different occasions. So when he plunges and rolls in the water, so he feels very happy, he's very joyful. What happens when Mitchell screws the tap in the wrong way? So he feels irritated, and of course he also feels very disappointed. Then nuzzle Maxwell's face and neck in the aeroplane. So what happens? So he feels comfort after the distress that was caused. Okay, and then you have the next set of questions where you need to find out which of these are true. So this of course is a simple question, we can go by it. Now coming to the fact that what kind of questions you can be asked from this. So जब मैंने इस चैप्टर को आपको पढ़ाया एंड व्हेन आई आल्सो वेंट थ्रू द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, आई कुड रियलाइज कि इसमें जो इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं या इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं, द काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट यू कैन आंसर आर मोर और लेस कवर्ड इन द टेक्स्ट बुक इटसेल्फ. बट इसके अलावा यू कैन बी आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू ह्यूमन एनिमल रिलेशनशिप, स्पेसिफिकली विद रिगार्ड टू हैविंग डिफरेंट पेट एनिमल्स. तो अब हम आते हैं व्हाट आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्सट्रैक्ट्स from this story. All right, so we come to page number 104. Okay, and now the second paragraph. So when I casually mentioned to a friend, he has, as you casually replied, that I'd better get one from Tigris marshes, for they are as common as mosquitoes, as were often tamed by the Arabs. So इस पैराग्राफ में हमें पता चल रहा है the narrator's desire to have otter as a pet. इसी पेज पे जो सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी है उसका फर्स्ट स्टैंजा, विद द ओपनिंग ऑफ दैट सैक बिगैन अ फेज ऑफ माई लाइफ दैट हैज नॉट yet ended and way for all I know not to end before I do. It is in effect a thraldom to authors, an author fixation that I've since found to be shared by most other people who have ever owned one. And then you know how he describes Mitchell. So all of that is important and what Mitchell does. 2 days later वाला जो paragraph है which is on page number 106, that is also important. इस पेज पे पेज नंबर 106 पे जहाँ ओरल कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक स्टार्ट हो रहा है उसी से पहले आप देखो ये लाइन, मिस फेवरेट टॉयज फॉर द पास टाइम, marbles were Mitch's favorite toys for the pastime. He would lie on his back, rolling 2 or more of them up and down. So this talks about the games that he liked to play. All right. Then of course the third part of the story जो स्टार्ट हो रहा है पेज नंबर 107 पे, इसकी थर्ड लाइन, द ब्रिटिश एयरलाइन टू लंडन वुड नॉट फ्लाई एनिमल्स सो आई बुक्ड अ फ्लाइट टू पेरिस ऑन अनदर एयरलाइन एंड फ्रॉम देयर टू लंडन. So how the narrator was able to carry Mitchell. And then of course on page number 108 the entire part is very important. All right. Then page number 109 pe we've spoken about compulsive habits that you know. Page number 110, the entire one is very important because it shows how surprised the narrator is when he comes to know that he felt that people in London would understand that, oh, this is an author, because maybe he felt that these people are quite intelligent and they would know what an author is. But to his surprise, there are different ways in which people behave looking at the author. So that's it from this chapter. हम मिलेंगे in the next session जहाँ पर हम एक poem पढ़ेंगे and we're going to understand that poem. Alright, see you all soon. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna, and of course stay blessed. Thank you.